What are you doing in the laundry basket? Yeah? Did you climb in there? You did? Can you get out? Can you get out of the laundry basket? No. Can you get out? Do you need help? Oh, that's good. That's good. Put one foot out first. Daddy's gonna help you. Can you get out? No, no, he doesn't want to get out. Oh, good. He's gonna spread the clean laundry everywhere. Uh-oh. Where's Rowan? There he is!
Where'd he go?
Oh, he's still hiding. Are you still hiding? Peekaboo. You're goofy. You're goofy. Yeah.
Yeah, you.
Alright. Yeah, well, I don't think we're getting him out. I think the clothes are getting out.